about to reach at that stone जिस पे लिखा है this place was originally discovered by Sir Urlstein and who has translated Rajtarangni into English and Mohanmarg and then was named after him. And these whole meadows belong to Mohanmarg. Summers में तो flowers ही flowers होते हैं. And we are reaching at this stone. There are written in 3 languages: Hindi, you can see Hindi, English and Kosher. Yeah, this is Mohanmarg. On this marg, Sir Urlstein first pitched his camp in this summer of 1895. When editing the Rajtarangni, he returned here in many subsequent summers when writing his accounts of his great journeys. He left here in September 19-something to go to Afghanistan. He died in Kabul on 26th October 19-something in his 81st year. And this is all written here. And this stone was put here on 14th September 2017. And I will say, बंदा न्यूजीलैंड में बॉर्न हुआ, मारा काबुल में, और वहाँ से आके कश्मीर में ये जगह डिस्कवर की. So he has wrote about this Mohanmarg. This is named after Sir Urlstein, a great climber, a great mountaineer. People taking photographs.